Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your fund password on Bybit. If you'd like to update the password you use for payments and withdrawals on Bybit, here's how to do it. First, open the Bybit app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the J icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Security, then select Fund Password. Now, tap Change Fund Password. You'll need to enter your current fund password. If you can't remember it, simply click Forgot Fund Password at the bottom. Since I remember mine, I'll enter it now. After that, enter the new password you want to use and retype it to confirm. Then, click Confirm. You'll be prompted to verify your Face ID or biometric authentication. After a quick scan, your fund password will be successfully changed. For security reasons, you may need to log in again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.